So in this first example, I have 121 divided by 33. Now, multiplying fractions times integers sometimes can be confusing for students because one's a fraction, one's an integer, and then one they're like, I know what to do. How hard could this be? So when students get confused with fractions and integers, I always like to remind them that we can always rewrite our integer as a fraction. And if you remember multiplication with fractions, you simply just multiply our numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Now we're going to go through the slow way first, okay? And then I'll show you the quick way. So in this case, I would have a 121 times 3, which is going to be a 363, divided by a 33. Now, at this point, you can simply go ahead and see how many times is 33 evenly divided into 363. You might know that number off the top of your head, or you would just go ahead and reduce the fraction. Find a common integer that evenly divides into your numerator as well as your denominator. But we're dealing with some bigger numbers, so you might have to pick up a calculator and it wouldn't be too fast. So how can you do this rather quickly? All you simply need to understand is multiplying a fraction by, or multiplying a number on a fraction's numerator is going to multiply the fraction's value. In the same respect, dividing the denominator of a fraction by a value also goes ahead and multiplies the fraction. So in this case, I see that 33 is divisible by 3. So what I simply can do is I can say 121 and take 33 divided by 3. Now 33 divided by 33 is equal to 11. So it's 121 divided by 11. Now I know my times tables and I hope you know your times tables as well. So 11 evenly divides into 121 11 times. And at this point in the video, if you already went ahead and grabbed your calculator, you'd recognize 363 divided by 33 is, guess what, 11. So yes, there's nothing wrong with this technique, right? If you have a fraction, multiply it by an integer, simply go ahead and multiply it, and you're going to go and get the right answer eventually. Or if you recognize you have something, if you have your denominator is divisible by the number you're multiplying by the fraction, dividing a fraction's denominator by that value is the same thing as multiplying the whole fraction by that number. That's how you can do it fast.